Uh, Good morning, everyone. So, after your examination, I welcome you all in this mathematics class. So, first of all, the attendance part, okay? Send me the attendance who all are watching the live mathematics class. And today, as you know, we have one more lesson, that is fifth one, right? So today we will have some revision of algebra part, right? So start here with, so I have Puneet, good morning. Rest, please send your attendance everyone, right? So especially in your class, you hesitate to send the attendance. Akshit, very good morning, Vijay. So other students, I am still waiting for your attendance, right? So I hope you have enjoyed your papers, okay? And we have now very less time, okay, for the final exams. So first, kindly everyone, Deepak also good morning. Welcome Deepak in today's mathematics class. Other students, please do it fast. Jasvinder, very good morning. So timing, I will write some questions. First question is, solve the following quadratic equations. Solve the following quadratic equations. We have seen that we will discuss with completing square method, and here you can use solve the following quadratic equations by quadratic formula. By quadratic formula. And in question, it is you have to find up to two decimal position, right? So first is x square plus 5x minus 13, x square minus of 5x plus 13 is equal to 0. Second part, we have four parts in the first question. Then second is completing square method we will discuss. X square minus of 9x plus 19 is equal to 0. X square plus x minus 18. X square plus x minus 18 is equal to 0. And the fourth one, that is x square minus 8 is equal to 0. X square minus of 8 is equal to 0. Right? So go on solving. Find the. So here, good morning everyone. Uh, Marks very soon I will discuss. Okay, all the students. So let's start. Starting, we know for quadratic, any quadratic equations, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we have the value of x, one is minus b minus of b, one is plus under b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and the another. Other students, I am still waiting for your attendance. Okay, only I got attendance from Akshit, Jaswinder, Deepak, and Puneet. So you don't have any option now. Even next time, I want some more attendance, and very soon I want to move ahead with full attendance. Right? So if whatever problem you have, now is the very right time that attendance part it should be compulsion for everyone. Okay, so here start solving and please send your solution. What is the value of x for the first equation? Here b is -5, c is 13, a is 1. Right? So Akshit solve for first one, that yes, minus of -5, that is plus 1, 25 minus 52. So the value here is minus of 27. So here minus under 27. So little wrong you are doing. This is important one, very first part. Any other? Puneet also solved the very first part. So here this is imaginary. So first one, Puneet is right. Akshit, we cannot solve it further because in the first equation 25 minus 52. 25 minus 52, that is 27. If we are, it means we have 5 plus minus under root minus 27. So here we can, this is not a under root minus 27. We cannot have a number like here. If a x square cannot be minus of 27 because we cannot find the under root minus 27, minus of any number. So here, up to here you have to solve and you will say the quadratic equation is having no real roots. First one, quadratic equations are having the value of x will remain this much only, right? One is 5 plus, right? Second one, Puneet solved. Puneet 5.62 and 3.3. Thank you, Puneet. Other students also, the second part, that is a is 1, a is 1, b is -9 and c is 90. Right? So here what is minus of, that is 9 plus minus under root 81 minus of, that is 76, right? That is minus of 76. So you have not thought correctly as written, right? So here we have 76 upon, that is 2. So we have the value, that is 9 plus minus, it is under root 5 upon 2. So two values, one is 9, one value, that is 5.62 when we are going to add with plus, and one value is 3.88, right? So the same way, the third one, that is x square, that is, so Akshit is also right for this part, second part. So Puneet, okay. Now come to the third portion. Here, the third part, that is x square. A is 1, b is also 1, and c is minus of 18. So what is the value of x? X is equal to minus of 1 plus minus b square is 1 and minus b plus. So 18 fours are 72. Right? 18 fours are 18 4. 72 divided by 2, that is 2 only. So we have the values. One is minus of 1 plus minus under root 73. Right? So under root 73 with the help of calculator you can find, right? It is near about 8 point something under root 73, right? 8 is the 64, right? So 8 1 that is 16. When we subtract 13 minus that is 9, and next the pair will be 900 here, and 900 near about, if we are going with 5 or 6, 6 is the, it will be much 5, 6, 5, 5 is the 25, 2, 30, 32, so here 8. So yes, it is near about 0.5, so 825. So we can write here near about 8.5, but we have to go for at least 2 decimal position. So you can use calculator, okay. So I got the value from Puneet side. You can check that, sir, one part, if the format is to the complex answer is 2.5 and minus 2.5 9i. So if you have to here 3.77 and minus 4.77. One is the one value of x, that is after, one is 3.77 and another value of x is minus of 4.77, right? One positive is 3.77 and or minus 4.77. So here the last part, Akshit also same answer of your value. Akshit also it is good. You also got the same. Your answer is also right. Right? Come to the last part and then switch over to the completing square method. Right? Some 4 more parts. The last one. Same, solve the following quadratic equations. Question number 2. Fourth part, there is x square minus of 8 is equal to 0. Solve it. Then question number 2, by completing square method. By complete square method. Solve the quadratic equations. Okay. The first one, that is x square minus 8x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus of 8x plus 3 is equal to 0. B part is minus of 2x square minus of 5x, right? So we have 2 more parts. So how to solve this one? When we have the equation that is x square, the fourth part is x square minus 8 is equal to 0. By using quadratic formula, a is 1, b is 0 and c is minus 8. Right? A is 1, b is 0 here and c is minus 8. Right? And the third part, C part is 3x square minus 4x minus 2. 3x square minus of 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. Right? And the last part, that is 7x square minus of 7x square minus of x plus 15. The second part is solve the quadratic equations by completing square method. Solve the quadratic equations by completing square method. And here what is the value of x? X is equal to, that is minus of b. So minus of 0 is 0 only. plus minus under root b square. B square is 0 and minus 4ac. Minus minus will become plus and it is 32, right, upon 2. So what we have 16 into 2. So x is having two values, right? That is under root 32 upon 2. So under root 32 is 4 outside under root 2 upon 2, right? So here we have plus minus two values. One is, that is 2 under root 2, one is plus and one is negative, right? So go on solving the next one, that is these four parts completing square method, right? The next question, Puneet has already sent one statement, that is x square. Okay, by factorization you are going. How? Just check here. If you are writing here x square is equal to 8, then what is x? X is plus minus under root 8. Please check your answer, Puneet. Right? Or in another way we can write, if you are doing it with the factorization method, right? We can write under root 8 as plus minus 2 outside under root 2 only. Now if you are doing by factorization method, then also check, please check. Here we can write the number, this implies that x square minus of under root 8 whole square is equal to 0. 8 can be written as, how I am writing 8? 8 I am writing as under root 8 whole square. So here, that is, one is x minus under root 8, right, into x plus under root 8. So we have two values of x, either x is minus of under root 8 or x is equal to under root 8. One is positive and one is negative. So here one is minus of 2 under root 2 and another is 2 under root 2. So these two values we have. So please check, right? So here by completing square method, the value first part 7.61 and 0.39. Let's check 7.61 and 0.39. 7.61 and 0.39. So here we are going at the completing square method. As we know, first x square minus of 8x is equal to minus of 3, and what if we have to complete the square? This is negative, so here number will be negative. That is 4 whole square, that is plus 16 both sides we have to add, right? So here this implies that we have x minus of 4 whole square, right, is equal to 12. So it is 13. So what is x? Taking under root both sides is equal to plus minus under root 13. So what is x? X is equal to 4 plus minus under root 13. So here 4 plus under root 13, that is 3.61. So here we have one value, that is 7.61 and another is 0.39, right? So Puneet is the right one. Other one also, Akshit, which part you are giving? So here 7.6 and 2.83 or minus 2.83. Please check this one. Okay, first one. Akshit, please, this one is right, 7.60, okay, but what about the second one? Second one, when we minus it by completing square method, 4 minus under root 13. Under root 13 value, you can check on the list. 3 3s are 9. So it is 406, right? So 3 point. Here, if we multiply with 7, 42, 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36, 39. Right? So 6 3 9 6. So it is near about 6. 3.6. So when you separate, it is near about 0.4. Your answer should be 0.4, near about. Answer should be 0.4. Right? So 0.19 is also wrong one. Under root 13 value is near about 3.6. You can check it with the help of calculator. Thank you. So thank you, Puneet. Puneet has also discussed another one also, the B part, the two values. I hope Akshit you are clear with which is second part, right? So let's discuss the second part also. In second part, we have the two values of, let me get it confirmed, 0.19 and minus 5.09. X is having the value 0.19 or minus of 5.19. Let's check. The same equation we can write 2x square plus 5x minus 2. How we can write? We can take, that is, 2x square plus 5x is equal to minus of 2, right? Taking the quadratic term and the linear terms to the another side, we are left with minus 2 here. Now the role here, that is x square plus 5 by 2x is equal to minus of 1. Now when we want to complete square here, the half of the coefficient of x, that is 5 by 4. So adding 5 by 4 whole square both side, right? 5 by 4 whole square, which means 25 upon 16 here. 25 upon 16. So this implies that we have x plus 5 by 4 whole square is equal to LCM is 16 minus of 16 plus 25 is equal to 9. When we go forward, put this plus minus 3 upon 4. So what the value of x is minus of 5 by 1 value and is minus 5 plus 3. So that is minus of 2 upon 4. So that is 0.5. Puneet, please check it. Your value is coming 0.19. But if my value is coming, the value of x is minus 0.5. Right? Minus 0.5 is another value. Minus it. That is minus of 8 upon 4. So that is, let's check. One is 2x square plus is equal to minus 2. Dividing the whole equation by 2, we get x square plus 5 by 2x is equal to minus 1. So here the coefficient of x is 5 by 2. Right? So let's check if some problem was there. I hope now it is very clear to you, especially board and my voice. So here x plus 5 by 4 whole square is equal to, we are taking LCM, it is 9 upon 16. When we take on both sides, x plus 5 upon 4 is equal to plus minus 3 upon 4. So here we have two values. One is minus 8 upon 4, that is 2, that is minus 2, and another is 0 minus 0.5, because minus of 2 over. So you have third part also need. Yes, is also writing up saying, okay, please go on solving the check. Don't hesitate. All those who are like, because very soon you will have now your papers. Internet. Some buffering is there. Just check it. Just provide me feedback, everyone. So it will. I don't have any problem, but it will waste our time, right? We have one more class today. Just provide me the feedback. Now, how is okay? Now it is fine. Thank you, Push. Thank you, Akshit. Sir, my network is having some problem. No, it is not from your side. It was from here, from my side. But now you can check. It is fine. Akshit, it is from my side. Just provide me the feedback. How is now? Like Push is saying, sir, it is okay now. Puneet is also saying it is okay, right? So here, the fourth part, Puneet has solved, that is 1.39, and x is equal to minus 1.54. Right? So we have discussed second part also. Let's discuss third C part, and we are doing by completing square method, right? So here, the one which is solved by Puneet is saying x is equal to 1.39, and another value, that is x is equal to 1 minus of 1.54, right? And one more part, C part. Let's check the C part. The value of x is equal to, that is 1 point. It is B part with the C part. So he has not set the value of C part. Let's check any other student. Akshit is saying third part, x is 3.1441, or x is equal to, that is minus of 0.58. So let's check both, and then I have some statement questions. Those who have solved question number 3, you can start with question number 3. I will discuss these two. Question number 3 we have, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Find the integers. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Find the integers. Find the positive integers. Find the integers, or find the numbers. Right? So here, let's check third is big C part. 3x square minus of 4x is equal to 2. When we divide, we get x square minus of 4 by 3x is equal to, that is 2 by 3. 3. So how to go for complete square? That is plus minus of 2 by 3 whole square. So here when we add, that is 4 by 9, and when we go for LCM, that is 9, 3 2s are 6, right? So here what we have x minus 2 by 3 whole square, right? And when we go for under root, we have plus minus under root 10 upon 3, and when we take x is 2 by 3 plus minus under root 10 by 3. So the two values what we will get? We will get 1, that is x is equal to 2 plus minus under root 10 by 3. So you can check one is whether it is they are same or not. Okay. With the help of calculator you can check, right? Under root 10 is near about 3 point approximately I have to check, right? So here under root 10 is 3 point something. So 2 plus 3 point, so it is the half, right? So it is not coming 3.41 cannot be there. Please check, Akshit, please check the question budget. Here the value of that it will come like 2 point something, because when we divide 5 or not even 2, it is 1 point, because it is zero. When we add, then it is 5 point something, right? And another is in minus, that may be right. So you have to check the quadratic is, right? And the fourth one, let's check the fourth one also. So here we have two values of x. One is, that is 2 plus 1 is under root 10 upon 3, and another is 2 minus under root 10 upon 3. Under root 10 is near about 3 point something, right? You can use calculator and find, and up to 2 decimal positions, please. Okay. And thank you very much for your cooperation today. All the students, you are watching, but participate. Okay. So the next one, that is the fourth part. So here C part, Puneet is calling, Puneet is saying, sir, one is 1.72. Thank you, Puneet. Puneet is saying the one value of that is 1.72. Yes, it is right one. And another is, that is 0.39. Right? So thank you, Puneet. So don't hesitate. Okay? And push also, sir, we will take the square of 4 upon 3, not 2. 2 upon 3. So let me check what you are doing. You are doing x square minus 4 upon 3 minus 2, right? Now the term which you have to add, that is 2 upon 3. No, you are going somewhat wrong. Push 3, you are going, that is one and same thing, 2 by 3 and 4 by 6. You are writing 4 by 6. I am writing that is 2 by 3 again. 2 and 2 cancel. The square of that is 4 upon 9 only. Right? I hope push you are clear, bache. You are writing 4 by 6, that is also right. But when we solve, we will get the same answer. Okay? So you can solve. Here, Akshit has also sent, thank you Akshit. Akshit also sent the right answer. So push, thank you push. Now comes to the last part. Let's check it. Already one has sent the solutions. And don't afraid of your mistakes. The maximum mistakes you will do, you will learn more. Okay. So here, what same way 15 is the positive one. I am changing the side, that is 7x square plus x is equal to 15. Now what is the equation? X square plus x by 7 is equal to 15 by 7. So completing square, that is 2 by 7 whole square, that is 4 upon 49. 4 upon 49. So here we have, this implies that we have x plus 2 by 7 whole square is equal to, and that is 49, and 7 into 5, that is 105, right? And plus 4, that is 109. So when we take the under root here, we have x plus 2 by 7 is equal to plus minus under root 109 upon 7. So what is the value of x? X is equal to minus, because LCM will be 7, so it will be minus 2 plus minus under root 109. 109 is near about 10 point something. 10 point something. So one value is 1.39 and one is minus 1.54. So it may be the right value you can check with the help of calculator, because this is near about 10 point something. 10 into 10 is 100, right? So the 8 upon 7, that is 1, that is minus, and another is when we add both, that is minus of 12 upon 7, that may be, but check the signs of negative positive. Okay, so this is all about the questions. Third one, let me give you the statement of fourth one also. Then one by one we will discuss. Then we will do. Or let me write you 3 questions. First question is, the product of 2 consecutive positive integers is 306. Find the numbers. Next one, Rohan's mother age is 26 years older than him. Rohan's mother is Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages, the product of their ages, the product of their ages in years, right? 3 years ago, and 5 years from now is 360. 360. Find Rohan's percentage. Find Rohan's percentage, right? One more question that we have 8-9 minutes, and today we have again, we will carry on with this algebra part. We will go ahead with some more questions with quadratic and pair of linear equations, right? And now we will go for the structured revision. Structured revision means we will club some chapters together. So here, take one more question and we will start one by one, right? The fifth question is, find the roots of the quadratic equations. Find the roots of quadratic equations. Find the roots of quadratic equation. Right? That is your 3x square minus 3x square minus 2 under root 6x. 2 under root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Right? So timing, let's complete first these questions and then come to the sixth question, okay? Or we will take next later on. The product of two numbers. Let me check some solutions I am getting. So here we will take the square of 3 upon 4 upon 3, not 2 upon 3. Question like 4 are quite confusing. No, dear Pushp, if you have problem, you will practice more and more questions on completing square method. So don't get confused. Okay, I will help you in any way. Especially completing square method. If you have any confusion, you can go ahead or I will provide you one worksheet especially on your completing square method. Okay. So thank you. Right? So if you are interested, we can go all ahead with this algebra portion, right? Like your sequence, APGP, your the inequalities, right? Because definitely algebra is the part of your both the papers, paper 2 as well as paper 4, right? So let's discuss first these questions and then Puneet has already sent the solutions of them. Puneet is saying, okay, third part already 2.23 and 0.89. So thank you, Puneet. 5. So here, third question, you are doing something wrong. Please check, Puneet. Third question, beta, the product of the two consecutive positive integers. Check what you are doing. You are just adding. You are not multiplying. The word is, please read the statement very carefully. The product of two consecutive positive integers. What are two consecutive positive integers? Right? So here, two positive consecutive integers, they are, so if one number is, please look ahead here, let one number is, question number 3 I am talking about, let one number is x. If one number is equal to x, another is 1x plus 1. If one is x, or even we can move ahead with one is x, another can be x minus 1. Right? Here x plus 1 is a bigger number, right? Successive one. Then x plus 1 is equal to 306. So we have x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So right? So please be attentive, be the statement, you should be very clear about the statement. So here what we have the equation for the first one, the equation that is x square, we have x square, so we can go with any method, quadratic formula, completing square, whatever you want, right? So here it is quadratic formula, what is the value of x? X is minus of b plus minus under root b square, that is 1, minus 4ac. So here 4ac, that is upon 2a. So what is the value of x? X is equal to, that is minus of 1 plus minus, that is 35. One is under root 225 is what? 1225 is equal to 35. So here we have the two values of x. One x is 34 upon 2, that is 17, and another is minus of 18. So the positive number cannot be negative. So the numbers are the x is 17 and another is the other x plus 1 is 18. Right? So the two numbers, right? The two numbers they are 17. So thank you, you have already solved. Thank you, Puneet. You have solved, bache. Yes, the value of x here is 17. One more way. Even we can move ahead in this way also. Please check. Then what will you get? Let one number is x. Let one number is x. Another can be x minus 1. So we have x minus 1 into x is equal to 306. Then x square minus x minus 306 is equal to 0. In this format, when you check, then the number will come 18. One number will be 18, x will be 18, and another is 17. Right? So in this way, when you have the equation, you will get the value of x as 18. You can check, you can solve by any method. By completing the method, by factorization, or by your quadratic formula. So both, because two consecutive numbers, one we can choose 17, so another can be 18, or if we are choosing 18, another is minus 1, so that will be 17. So in both ways we can do it. Now the fourth one. What is the fourth one? Fourth is the Rohan's mother's age is 26 years older than him. Sorry, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. And we have to find Rohan's present age. Let Rohan's present age is x, which we want to find. So what is our mother present age? That is x plus 26. Now we have the two situations. One, the product of their ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now. The product of their ages in 3 years ago and 5 years from now. So what is his age 3 years ago and 5 years from now? It is only, I think, let me check the again question please. The product of, it is not 5, only 3 years ago, not 5 years. The product of their ages in 3 years ago is, right? So 3 years ago, what will be their age? Rohan's age will be x minus 3 and his her mother age. So it is 3 years, let me check again, it is 3 years from now. It is 3 years not ago, 3 years from now, from now. So when it is 3 years from now, so it is x plus 3 and here it is x plus 3. So what is the according to question? We have x plus 3 into 29 plus x. Because 3 plus 26 is 29, so we can write x plus 29, that is equal to 360. So here, let's check. Here, we will again have a quadratic formula, that is, then time is almost over. So let's discuss. I will start here with the fifth lesson. Some more questions we will take, right? We will discuss first this. What is the question? The Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Okay, and after 3 years, the product of their ages is 360. Right? So we have after 3 years, Rohan will be x plus 3 and his mother will be x plus 29. So product of their ages is 306. So this is the quadratic equation. If we there is 29x plus x square plus 29, that is it is your 87 plus 3x is equal to 360. So here 3x and 29x, we have the equation x square plus 32x minus of, we can check here, that is 3, right, minus of and here not only 3 is yes, it is 3 only, and when we have 15 minus 8, that is 7 and 270. So we will solve the quadratic equations, right? So in fifth lesson, please join again. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you all.